In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add font in Pixellab app. For this, first of all, you have to download a font. To download a stylish font, go to your mobile browser and search it on Google. After that, open a website. Now choose a font, then download it. To download it, tap on Download. After download the font, then open it. Tap on Extract. Again, tap on Extract. Now open Pixellab app. Now select your text. After that, slide your tools row to the left. Then tap on Font. From here, tap on My Fonts. Then tap on File icon at the top. From here, you have to select your font, which you just downloaded. Then tap on Add Directory. And through this, the font has been added in Pixellab app. So, tap on this font. Here, as you can see, that the font has been applied to my text. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you face any problem, then please comment.